This short training session is aimed at anyone who handles food in a food business. Subscribe for more food safety toolbox talks and practical compliance training. Food safety is the foundation of every successful food business. The 4 C's of food safety provide a simple framework for preventing foodborne illness, meeting legal requirements, and protecting customers. Under UK food safety law, businesses must ensure food is safe to eat, and the 4 C's help control the main hazards that can lead to contamination, illness, enforcement action, and damage to business reputation. Poor food hygiene can have serious consequences. Millions of cases of foodborne illness occur in the UK each year, with bacteria and viruses such as Salmonella, E. coli, and norovirus continuing to cause outbreaks. Food businesses that fail to manage risks can face improvement notices, prosecution, unlimited fines, closure by environmental health, loss of customer confidence, and long-term reputational damage that can be difficult to recover from. The 4 C's stand for cleaning, cooking, chilling, and cross-contamination prevention. Together, they form the core of food hygiene management. Cleaning removes dirt and contamination from surfaces and equipment. Cooking destroys harmful bacteria through heat. Chilling slows bacterial growth by controlling temperature. Preventing cross-contamination stops harmful bacteria, allergens, and other hazards from spreading between foods, surfaces, and people. It's important to understand that cleaning and disinfection aren't the same thing. Cleaning removes visible dirt, grease, and food debris, but it doesn't necessarily remove harmful bacteria. Disinfection, sometimes called sanitizing, uses approved food-safe chemicals to reduce or destroy microorganisms. Disinfectants only work effectively on clean surfaces, which is why cleaning must always happen before disinfection. Using products that meet recognized standards and following the manufacturer's instructions is essential. An effective cleaning routine follows 5 simple stages. First, remove loose food debris and dispose of waste correctly. Next, wash surfaces using hot water and detergent to remove grease and dirt. Then rinse where required by the product instructions. After that, apply an approved disinfectant and allow the correct contact time. Finally, allow surfaces to air dry naturally wherever possible, to avoid recontamination from cloths or towels. Cooking is one of the most effective controls for destroying harmful bacteria. Particular attention should be given to high-risk foods such as poultry, minced meat products, burgers, sausages, reheated rice, and ready meals. Businesses should use a calibrated probe thermometer to verify cooking temperatures. The probe should be cleaned and disinfected before and after use, and inserted into the thickest part of the food without touching bones, trays, or cooking equipment. Visual checks alone can't confirm food safety. Meat can appear cooked on the outside while remaining undercooked in the center. UK guidance commonly uses a core temperature of 75 degrees Celsius for at least 30 seconds as a recognized cooking target. Equivalent combinations include 70 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes or 65 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The key requirement is that sufficient heat reaches the center of the food to destroy harmful bacteria. Temperature control is critical because bacteria grow rapidly within the temperature danger zone. This range sits between 8 degrees Celsius and 63 degrees Celsius. Foods should spend as little time as possible within this range. Above 63 degrees Celsius, hot holding and cooking temperatures help control bacterial growth. At 5 degrees Celsius and below, bacterial growth slows significantly, helping preserve food safety and shelf life.
Good chilling practices are essential in every food business. Refrigerators should operate at 5 degrees Celsius or below, and temperatures should be checked regularly. Fridges shouldn't be overloaded because air must circulate freely to maintain safe temperatures. Raw foods should always be stored separately from ready-to-eat foods, with raw meat kept below cooked and ready-to-eat products to prevent contamination from drips or spills. When cooling hot food, speed is important. Food should be cooled as quickly as possible before refrigeration. Dividing food into smaller portions, using shallow containers, and increasing air circulation all help reduce cooling times. One common mistake is placing large quantities of hot food directly into a refrigerator, which can raise the temperature of surrounding foods and create conditions where bacteria can multiply. Cross-contamination occurs when harmful bacteria, allergens, chemicals, or foreign matter are transferred from one source to another. It's one of the most common causes of foodborne illness. Contamination can occur when raw meat juices drip onto ready-to-eat foods when staff fail to wash their hands properly, or when equipment such as chopping boards, knives, and cloths are used for multiple tasks without adequate cleaning and disinfection. Preventing contamination requires consistent controls throughout the working day. Effective hand washing with warm water and suitable soap is essential before food preparation and after handling raw foods. Separate equipment should be used wherever possible for raw and ready-to-eat foods. Raw meat should be stored safely at the bottom of refrigerators, and food contact surfaces should be cleaned and disinfected between every task to prevent contamination transfer. Allergen cross-contact presents a significant risk to customers with food allergies. UK food businesses must be able to identify and manage the 14 regulated allergens. Common failures include using shared utensils for allergen and non-allergen foods, contamination from airborne flour dust, and using the same fryer for products containing different allergens. Even very small amounts of an allergen can cause severe reactions, making strict controls essential. Food safety goes beyond individual tasks and depends on a strong food safety culture. Businesses are legally required to implement food safety management procedures based on HACCP principles. This means identifying hazards, putting controls in place, monitoring those controls, and taking corrective action when problems occur. Accurate records help demonstrate due diligence and provide evidence that food safety procedures are being followed consistently. Due diligence records should include temperature monitoring, cleaning schedules, staff training records, maintenance checks, and internal audits where appropriate. These records help identify trends, highlight recurring issues, and provide evidence during inspections. One of the most common compliance failures seen by enforcement officers is poor record keeping, or records that have been completed without the checks actually taking place. The 4 C's work together as a continuous cycle. Food arrives and is stored under safe, chilled conditions. Equipment and surfaces are cleaned and separated to prevent contamination. Food is cooked to safe core temperatures, and any leftovers are cooled and returned to chilled storage safely. A failure at any point in this chain can undermine all the controls that came before it and increase the risk of unsafe food reaching customers. The key message is simple: clean effectively, cook thoroughly, chill correctly, and prevent cross-contamination at all times. Food safety isn't a one-off task or a box-ticking exercise. It's an ongoing responsibility that protects customers, supports legal compliance, and helps build trust in your business every single day. FoodSafety.app helps businesses complete digital food safety checks, monitor temperatures, manage cleaning records, store compliance documents, train teams, and demonstrate due diligence from one place. Download FoodSafety.app today and try it free to see how much easier food safety management can be.